Hello, everybody, and welcome back. If you'd like to delete WhatsApp contact permanently on your Android phone, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So, what you may do is you can go ahead and access your WhatsApp application first and then open it up on your particular screen. Once you access it up, you can basically go to the Chats tab, which should automatically open by default, and you can just go ahead and select the Chats contact. For example, go to one of the chat. Once you head over to their chat, you will be finding all of your messages and the username of that particular contact at the top left. So what you need to do is just go ahead and tap on their name at the top left and open up the page, which will be available like this on your screen. The next step you need to do is once you are in their page, you may basically go ahead and tap on the three dot in the top right corner of the screen. And then once you do so, a menu appears on your screen. You may find the option for edit from the given menu and go ahead and tap on that option right there in the top right. Now what you need to do next is once you are in this page, there you'll be finding their username, etc. in your and their phone number and where it is synced to. So if you'd like to delete the contact permanently, you may look out for the three dot in the top right corner from this page right here as well and tap on it. After you do so, you will be finding an option for delete contact. All you gotta do is basically find that option, tap on it, and once you do so, you will be getting a confirmation message. You may just go ahead and confirm that you would like to delete, and that particular action will remove the contact from both your WhatsApp and your phone's address book. And that is it. So if you'd like to go ahead and delete WhatsApp contact permanently from your device and your WhatsApp itself, you may follow up these methods. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.